Greetings, everyone. My name is Dr. Jan Albers, and I have the privilege of sharing an opportunity for you as one of our population health students in our master's program. At McKendree University, we wrote for and obtained a grant from the Telegen Community Initiative. And part of that grant was supplying scholarships to some of our students. Now, in order to do so, we needed to meet some criteria. So there is a form that you need to complete. But because you are enrolled in the population health track, you would qualify for applying for this particular grant. And I want to just briefly go through the grant application process, or the concept plan process, and let me know if you have any questions after I go through this video. So we're going to start out with just kind of a basic concept plan of what you propose for your project, and please know that the focus needs to be on a particular population, a rural or underserved population. And what you're going to do is devise a project that will impact a particular population. So projects could vary from doing screenings on social determinants of health. It could be working with maybe a migrant population. It could be any number of things, but the focus is really cool because this is very innovative. It's not only to provide a scholarship to help fund your education, but it's also to really make a difference. And that's what it's all about. We want these projects to be very meaningful to you and to those that you plan on serving in the organization that you will be working with through your project. So you're going to just do a brief overview of your project. You're going to look at your project design. What is the practice problem, or what is the issue that you're addressing in your project, and what is the significance of the problem? It doesn't have to be extremely extravagant as far as the application. It's just kind of the nuts and bolts of what you're kind of conceptualizing for a project. And you'll also include what you aim to do with your project. You're also going to be working with an organization. It may be your organization, or it may be another organization. It doesn't really matter. It's just that you have a support of that organization for this particular project. And then there's just a statement that the $1,000 scholarship is payable upon completion of the project and completion of your population health project. So all of the applications, or the concept plans, are due by December the 15th. I do want to let you know that there are 12 scholarships available, and they will be awarded on a first come, first serve basis. So as we get a viable application, we will start awarding those particular scholarships. So if you have any questions about the application process, please let me know. But I strongly encourage you, as one of our population health students, to really capitalize on this wonderful benefit that the Telegen Community Initiative has really afforded us through the grant. And they've really embraced our program because it's very innovative and new. So this is kind of a one-time perk, and I really hope that you do take advantage of it. If you need to reach me, please reach out. My email address is jlalbers@mckendree.edu. Thank you so much. Take care now.